Hello, my friends, and welcome to your daily dose of funny. Let's get into it. Let's do it.
Watch me toss this toy at my son.
Maybe it's on the careful.
How horrible. Oh.
Do you have to have a husband?
Nope.
They tried to slap each other without spitting out their water. This Amazon guy delivered a package and then immediately ran it over.
Oh gosh. Why would you do that?
Her husband wasn't too happy that she was trying to feed the cat.
She licks her own butthole. She licks her own butthole.
That's funny. Ouch!
I have never seen a knife this sharp before.
What?
He was trying to put this fish that he caught back into the water.
Oh, nice. Oh no. Oh!
I have never been so invested in a vending machine scenario like this.
Wow.
No.
What? What? Those eggs with ping pong balls. Okay. Oh, wow. Very talented.
Sadie, high five.
Aww.
No.
Oh, nice. Wow.
This window washer used water pressure to get himself back out of the building.
Yeah, very clever. He's obviously done this before. Gosh. Oh, his shoe came off. Oh, man. Oh, no, it wasn't a shoe.
She discovered a really smart way to get that little bit of extra ketchup.
Instead of like waiting for my ketchup bottle to go bleh, bleh, I like to use physics to get all my sauce. I give you centripetal motion.
Okay.
Make sure your cap's on.
It's actually been looking pretty good.
Yeah.
They put Apple Vision goggles on a robot to see what would happen.
Well, that actually looks cool. It's freaking out. It broke it. That's funny.
This goat really launched her own child.
Wow.
It cost me maybe like...
Oh no!
No way.
This raccoon was saved from drowning in the sewer.
Aww. Oh, you got a safe little guy. Wow.
Ready?
To Italy because I've got a pizza oven in my garden and I want to go to the home of pizzas, go to Naples. Brilliant. You got a pizza oven. Have you ever used it?
What?
I can't decide if this is a really smart or really dumb elephant tattoo.
That's kind of funny. Nice.
This restaurant gives you a discount if you're skinny.
Oh, can you do 10?
Hold on, he's doing it.
Oh, no,
Oh my gosh.
What if he gets
You
stuck?
got the head.
He's gonna take the whole thing.
What?
Oh.
You should give you. Oh, well done.
That's very weird. Ooh.
I can't tell if he did this on purpose or not.
Nice save.
Ready? Okay. Leave the shave.
That's funny.
Hello. I need directions here. Yes. Calderas, is it this way? This way? Oh, that way. Okay. Thank you very much.
He wanted to see what was hiding under the bridge.
Oh gosh. Don't do that. Oh gosh! That's horrible. Wow, that's not
This
cool.
dog somehow forgot how to jump. So this is kind of insane. This guy tried to use a video of an AI generated person to defend his case in court.
We will hear that video now.
May it please the court. I come here today a humble pro se
All right.
before a panel of 5 distinguished
Is this-
justices.
Is this, hold on. Is that counsel for the case? So if you are able to shut that off.
The seal started spinning out of control.
David, look.
That's cool.
Joshua, look. Joshua, look. The sea lion spinning.
The snake was ready to strike.
I would say so, yeah. Jeez. Get out of there!
I walk in here. Oh, what's that, eh? Who did that? Who did that?
Aww. He's
Do you know?
sorry.
Their cat had to go to the vet to get iodine therapy, and as a result, they became very radioactive.
Oh, jeez. It's time to get rid of the cat. Oh,
You
right
never know what might be lurking in the night.
on him. Takes the karate stance.
All right, technically I should be concentrating on work right now, but I want to show you this is an HP or a high precipitation supercell. They should have the sirens going here right now. Insane lightning, but look.
Whoa. Now gonna wipe out. Oh man. Oh no. Oh gosh. Man, pretty cool. All right, my friends, that wraps up this episode of Funny. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, like, share, slap that bell around. And until the next video, stay safe, know that you are loved and appreciated, and until we meet again, have a great day.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear.